Hi everyone, this is Mike from Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this video, I'm going to show a simple tool in CargoMax that not everyone may be aware of. Sometimes you may want a simple way to move weight between tanks, either for a specific amount or for a target trim or heel. For example, this could come in handy when you're making the final adjustments for trim or heel in a loading condition. In the CargoMax shown, we've got a condition where the cargo and loading is slightly off center, and with the ballast in its current configuration, we have a heel of almost half a degree to starboard. Let's say I wanted to use my number one ballast tanks to shift fluid to adjust and get me to zero heel. In the Tools menu, there is an option for Tank Weight Transfer, which will bring up this small screen. Alternatively, if you right-click on an item in the entry table, you can also find this option in the Other Tools context menu. This is a little bit of a shortcut because now the form will be auto-populated with the tank you clicked on in the first column. In this case, I right-clicked on the number one starboard tank, as I'll need to move fluid from starboard to port to remove my heel. In the second column, I can pick the number one port tank. And in the third column, I have the various types of transfer. In this case, I want to pick a target heel. And finally, in the last column, I have the value I want to target, in this case, a zero heel. Once I've quickly defined the transfer, I can hit the transfer button, and the tool will systematically move fluid between the two tanks that I selected until it meets the target. I know I started with 60 tons in each tank, and now I have 98 in the port and 23 in the starboard, for a net transfer of 38 tons. The good news is I have achieved my target heel as well. I now know how much fluid I'll have to move when I actually start opening valves and turning pumps on. That's all for this video, but keep an eye out for our next video, which will spend a bit more time going into the more powerful ballast advisor calculations. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this learning video. For more information, please visit us at www.herbert-abs.com or email us at info@herbert-abs.com.